do I do this to myself? Why do I fix stuff that's not broken? What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? I need help. Let's put it back together. Everything I need to put the engine back is ready, painted, and ready to go. I've missed this car so much. Alright, I'm gonna have to sit here and go through and put all these with the right bolts and everything. I got everything sorted. It's been so long. It's been what, 4 months? I don't remember exactly which bracket goes to what. Now my buddy did warn me that some of these are pitted, and he did the best he could. So don't immediately hate on him. I sit here and start unwrapping shit and there's some pitting. It's like fucking Christmas. Woo! Dude, he knows what the fuck he's doing. Look at that, dude. That's like off the fucking shelf. Dude, I love this type of shit right here, man. I'm so fucking pumped about this. Look at this shit. Damn! I am pumped about this. You guys don't even, it's hard to even explain. I still never found that cover with a red sticker. Oh, here's my hood latch. Damn, he did a great job on that. I couldn't just put that rusty hood latch back in here. I still haven't found new bolts. We talked about it a few videos back. It probably would have been 6 months ago. One of you guys told me where to get some. I don't remember where. Dude, my shit would have never came out this good. That bitch looks brand new. There's not pitting on there or nothing. This goes right here in the middle. I'm nothing but fucking smiles right now. This shit is sick. Here's the big one. See how good this came out. Because like I said, I could not find a new brake booster. You can't buy a new one. And I could not find one on eBay that was in any better shape than mine. I looked for like 6 months straight. Mine was the best looking one. People were selling ones with like welded freaking holes in them and shit. That is fucking fire. Well, I'm like sweating. I'm so excited. Now let's get this shit back in there. I'm so fucking pumped. Alright, I'm gonna clean up these little brackets that you'll see. This you don't actually see, but that's gonna drive me nuts, that pitting. At least get some of this dust off. Probably have a mask on. But masks are in high demand, as you all know. Not like you can just go buy a mask for sanding right now.
I am uncomfortable with being comfortable. I'm trying to do the unthinkable. I'd rather die than be stuck in the cubicle. I'd rather spend my whole life in the studio. Practice my swing, I've been working on hits. Trying to do shows and sold out events. All of these rappers be claiming they next. The way they be moving, I'm never convinced. Look at the odds, I came to get even. Gave them a chance, they gave me a reason. Open their eyes, they all see the vision. 2019 and
you ever just been so mad at something you can't control? I'm so fucking pissed off by this whole situation with the doctor. I honestly cannot remember where certain shit went. I just went and watched my video so I can remember which bolts and shit went where. This goes here. I just don't remember exactly which bolt goes in there. I guess I could clean that up a little bit. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. I'll bring it back. All right, I got the paint off of it. I'm not gonna sit here and polish this piece that you won't ever see. But see, this is for the cruise control, so I don't even think this is all going back on. I know this goes here because that's where the power steering reservoir bolts to. And then this bracket's supposed to go there like this. That holds that whole heavy ass cruise control on. But I'm still looking for a cruise delete throttle cable. I need to find a throttle cable to a model that didn't have cruise control. That's the only way to do it. Like, right. You can sit there. I can do it. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I talked about it before. You can do it by like cutting the cable and grinding and shit. I just don't know how safe I feel with that. I wonder if it can go under the brake booster like that. That was a lot cleaner if I could do that. I don't remember where it goes, because if I run it tight like that, that's all the slack that I'll have. I don't remember exactly where it goes to. If I gotta go around anything else, I'm pretty much screwed. The right way would be to follow this firewall like this. And get it right there. But in my pictures, I got it run like that before I took it apart. It's just like that. It just sits there all loose and shitty. So I think I'm gonna try to put it back behind this brake booster. See, I'm gonna try to tuck it like that. Let me make sure I'm not snagged anywhere. If that doesn't work and I don't have enough, I gotta take the brake booster back out. Because right now I got just enough gap back there to run that line. Alright, it's been a minute since I had you guys on. My daughter came out here and wanted to help me, and no offense, I'm sure 99.999% of you guys are fine, but there's probably that 0.1% that's going to be a weirdo freak. You guys aren't seeing my kids. I got the hood latch in. I got that bar in. Now I can put the shroud in. I got the brake booster in. I ended up moving that cable from behind there because if for some reason I ever got to replace that clutch line, you got to take off the brake booster then. So it's just in front of it. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just right there. Actually, I had to take this back off because I got to put the cable on, which I don't remember where it goes. It goes like that, I think. I hope. That's the way I'm putting it on. She's coming together, boys. Just taking about 6 months longer than it should have. Like all your music is 10 out of 10. Ain't like me then, what you think of me now? I see their faces when I come around. I used to dream about being the king, but now I'm more than a throne and a crown. No one showed me. There we go, shrouds in, brackets in, the horns gotta go on there, but those I can get with a ratchet when it comes time. Those won't go on until I open up this wire and harness. Love this car. This car is gonna be awesome. This thing is so fucking sick. I'm not gonna want to fucking drive it. I will drive it though, I promise you. Alright, I've been sitting here cleaning this. I can't get the cap that good, but you can buy the caps. I got the reservoir itself pretty clean. A little bit of yellowing right there, but can't really do much about that. But 1,000 times better than it was, so I'm gonna get ready to put that in the car. They wanna know how I made it this far. I tell them this wasn't made overnight. Learn from mistakes, I was doing it wrong. This time around I'll be getting it right. Spend too much time in the dark. Seem like the old me done came to the light. I do it all for the love and the fans. You do it all for the bitches and hype. I cannot live like I'm somebody else. I'm doing fine, just being myself. Rappers get famous and look in the mirror, forgot who they were, now they crying for help. I used to follow they lead, but now I just lead by example. Talking that busy, we chopping it up like a sample. I see the I want to wipe down all these lines, so that's gonna be a process. None of our energy synchronized. It's just been harder than empathize. I don't go out on the weekend. I'm up early, you sleeping. Trying to be more than this decent. Killing this shit, no secret. Well, yeah, this is full of fucking water. I don't know, there's definitely water in there. That don't make me feel too fucking good. Water in this fucking thing too. Jesus Christ, this thing's just been sitting in fucking water. Dude, that is some bad fucking news right there. I mean, I'm sure it'll dry out, but now I gotta worry about fucking corrosion. I thought I had this thing pretty tightened up when I washed this shit down. I didn't think any water would get in. That's why I put bags on it. If I knew water was gonna get in, I would've never put a bag on it. At least it would've dried out by now. Dude, that really fucking sucks ass. It's just these ones on the bottom got wet. I might actually go get like a bowl of rice and stick this whole thing in a Tupperware container and then fill it up with rice. That is what I'm gonna do. I'll just get like a Tupperware container right there, put the wires in, fill that bitch up with rice. I'm not gonna play that shit. Get the whole car back together and realize that nothing works because it's all corroded. Might as well start replacing it now. Leave it down in the comments if you know where I can get a wiring harness. Looks like I'm gonna have to pull this fucking dash out. That water fucking sucks dick. I was gonna start tucking this and get it ready to go, but I need to dry this shit out and see if I fucked anything up. See how brittle these are, because they're already pretty fucking brittle, guys. I actually don't think there's any moisture up here. It's just on these ones down here. They're already actually pretty dried out, just from being open right now. It's pretty hot in here. But I still don't like that. See how there's just, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera or not, but there's just moisture down in there.
I'm trying to stick around every year. No more falling on deaf ears. Join the success or just watch me succeed. Been on my job and you been on Indeed. I know some people that say that they got me, but I know deep down that they want me to bleed. Never been into the fairy tales. I told myself that I wouldn't fail. I gotta clean up my basement. Their bodies of rappers are leaving an awful smell. I want a taste of that luxury. I make that bread for my family. Working on building a company. Making those moves.
Never thought there'd be water in there. I thought I did a really good job taping it up. Like, there was a little bit of air in there I couldn't squeeze out. Like, I thought I sealed it up pretty good. Between the tape, the aluminum, and the 2 bags. Must just have a small little hole that, you know, I washed this down 15 times. In between sanding, primering, painting. I don't really know what else to do now. I was going to sit there and try to tuck all that shit, but that's got to at least sit for a day. Alright, I'm going to let those wires sit. I'm going to start on the subframe and steering rack, but that'll be in the next video. So I will see you in the next one, guys.
Die for this shit. I'm ready to flip and I end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. So my mama ain't want me, she got in the bush and I end up surviving this shit. And if I want a son, I ain't got the money, I'll probably be robbing this shit. Don't know how much I cry for this shit.